Alright everybody, hello. I'm sorry about this little flashy thing right here. That's just where the sun's hitting the window or coming in. I got most of it out of our view, but anyways, welcome to my December Boxycharm unboxing. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm a little off-put. Disappointed is an understatement. I don't want to say pissed, but I'm not very happy with this. Oh, I'm so off-put because I was very excited for this box from seeing what other people got, and when I got mine I was just like, it all came to a screeching halt. I was like, what the And my husband was like, what is wrong? I was whoo. So I was gonna do a try on for you, and I did use some of the products in here, don't get me wrong, but not what I intended on doing at all. So without further ado, let's just show you what I got. Putting the card to the side. The first thing I got, which I'm not mad about, I got the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Powder. I did use it under my eyes to set my concealer and wherever else I put my concealer. Seemed to have worked well so far. It's only my first time using it. It's only been a few minutes since I've set my makeup, so we'll see if it holds up like the Coty Airspun powder does, but yeah. I will open it up to show you too. Oh, by the way, before I open it up, it does have cute packaging, don't get me wrong. It's cute, it looks like that. It is a little bit bulky, but I mean, there's 25 grams, 0.88 ounces, so, and it is just a mattifying setting powder. It has a screw-on lid. It's got a little pink puffy. I did not use that. And then it is just a regular, like, sifter where you kind of dump it in or whatever, so not mad about it, kind of indifferent. I used it. Let's move on. The second thing, again, not mad about it, not crazy about it, but I'm not mad about it, is the, oh, this is cosmetics, duh. Detox Activating Charcoal Mask. So basically this is just supposed to, you apply it and, I don't know, but it's cruelty free. Let me see, what is this supposed to do? Detox mask, la 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 la, here we go. Okay, detoxify your pores from daily grind with the Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Mask. Something, I'm gonna leave that word right here that I can't pronounce. Earth visibility improves the brightness of your skin while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay, some kind of clay, draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. So, not mad about it. The thing I'm most excited about, let's just talk about that now, is what I have on my lips. It is the lip liner by Bodyography. It's barely their lip pencil. It's just a nice nude lip liner. I do have that all over my lips, and I topped it with the Tarteist lip paint that it came with in Strike Gold. It's like a glitter lip gloss. If you've seen any of the Boxycharms, then you already know what it is. It's clear base. It's just like a glitter topper. I do have that all over my lips. It's nice. It's fine. I'll wear it. Last thing. This is where everything came to a screeching halt. So I was incredibly excited because I saw the palettes that were in this palette. As you know from last month, that palette is in my giveaway. I was not a fan of it just because I don't do those colors, which is totally fine. When I saw the spoilers for the palette that was supposed to be in this, I was over the moon excited. It had beautiful eyeshadows that I would wear, highlights that I thought were gorgeous. What I got instead, which is maybe just me personally, I got a mini hair straightener. It is by PYT Mini Hair Straightener. It's basically, and it's 75 bucks, so it's not cheap, but basically it's for baby hairs, yada yada yada. Get those pesky baby hairs, straighten those bangs, or touch up your curls on the go with this incredibly adorable PYT Mini Straightener. The floating ceramic plates adjust as you style, allowing you to create straight, wavy, or curly locks. This little guy reaches a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 Celsius. So, it looks like this. And it comes with this. And it came like in a little sleeve. Anyways, the reason why I'm so disappointed is I do not want a hair straightener. I wanted the makeup palette. So, incredibly disappointed in this month's Boxycharm, and that is all I got. Didn't get any of the palettes. I really was looking forward to it. I was so excited because it was right up my alley. I was through the roof, and then it all came to a crashing halt. So, yeah. that is pretty much it for this Boxycharm unboxing. If you feel the same way, comment below. If you got a box like this and you're happy about it, comment below. I don't know, I was just so freaking disappointed in this one. But yeah, so that is everything I have. If you're interested in seeing more videos from this channel, I upload every Tuesday and Friday. Every once in a while there's a bonus video, like occasionally, not very often. So mostly Tuesdays and Fridays. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.